Good morning from sunny Henley.
I don't even know if it's...
We've woken
Is the sound
up
on?
in the sunshine. Yeah, I think it's this.
Is it? Are they going?
No, it's got an empty toilet.
Oh. Oh, you've had the walk of shame.
Yeah, my hair looks a right mess, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, you've got a shower in a minute.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a beautiful day. This is the first beautiful day, so we need to go for a long walk. And we'll probably catch up with you later, once he's had his shower.
Bye.
Get over here. Look and make sure you're not going somewhere else.
Well, you just thought it went quiet. I'll check to see if he's behind me. Oop.
Where the canal banks were, and under trees where the farmer couldn't really see, there was dead sheep everywhere.
And you're going to now make sure we get the best.
That's what. Are you doing this?
A little bit. Going to get the most out of our toilet by filling it up a bit further. Is that right? Is that what you're going to do now?
I am.
Okay.
I'm going to clean my packers.
You're going. All right. You're going to shout it when you're finished. Just for the record. Okay. I'll stop there then.
Would you?
Bye. There we are.
Hi, still at Henley. Bit cold, a bit wishy.
Ash, can't see us.
Can't you?
Oh, that might be better. I can't see you really. Okay, anyway, let's get back. So we're going to do the
Do you need to put that
Dunny
there?
run. Oh, hang on, you got to go a long way back. I emptied filling up the thingy.
It's not usual, is it?
Well, there's a bit of a queue over there for the picking up the bits. We've got the river over there, and we've got lots of this stuff.
Still at Henley.
You see all that? Basically, I don't know if anyone can hear me,
Basically, sunshine gone,
but the ground is like one big litter tray.
and nobody picks it up.
Well, I don't know. I mean, we were watching Aim in the back, weren't we, the other night, and I think they must send all their geese over here. So they crap on our campsites, which this isn't a campsite, this is a rally field. So down there's Fijit, and then there's a few members of our group. Does look like we're out on the road, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
And then over there's the river,
Outcasts.
which we'll see from the drone shots. So we'll go around over that side. And then over there's where we're going to empty the toilet, which is a fair old jaunt. And fill some water up. My arm's getting longer. Okay. Still can't seem to
Think
get
the
you in.
forecast by the time we get back.
Ah, that's better.
Hello.
So
With my best windy hat on.
now I think we're both in it. It might be on the piss because I can't hold it straight.
Would you have me to have a go?
My left hand's getting longer. I'm going to put this down.
Of course, I forget you've got the heavy one. Shall I hold it for a bit?
Yes, you can hold it for a bit.
Sure.
Yeah.
Right, let's go. I thought you were going to put that one in the bin.
It's sentimental to me.
That one won't even. That won't come off. Whatever you've got on there.
Grease. Nothing's not toilet related.
It's actually very hard to miss all these poo bits
I know.
and keep you in the shot.
I know. It is worth it.
How far have we got to go? Let's have a look.
No, especially looking
Now
up
we're
there, not
both-
there, because that's the phone, so we've got to look up at that bit.
That's better.
It's the hat that's putting you off.
Yeah, who is that person?
So if you try aim towards those two posts,
I'm not really a hat person, as you can probably see.
or a camera person.
Or a. What do you call me?